Let's open our October monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. I love opening these boxes every month and sharing with you what is inside. But before we open it up, let me tell you a little bit about it. The monthly essential oil recipe box is a subscription. You can cancel at any time. It is $44.99 a month, and inside you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Along with the subscription, you will get the big bonus box. Now, this is a part of the subscription. It's absolutely free. You don't need to purchase this extra. It will come on your first box and every 6 months after. So let's take a look at what's inside our big bonus box. Now, when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly box will come tucked inside just like this. And then on the months when you don't receive the big bonus box, the monthly essential oil recipe box will be shipped in its own box. Inside the big bonus box, we have beeswax, 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We have coconut oil. Now, this is the cold pressed, so it kind of has the consistency of like shortening. It will melt when heat is applied, but it's that thick, creamy oil. For carrier oils, we have almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid coconut oil. Then we'll get 6 amber glass roll-on bottles because every month you get a roll-on recipe, and 6 amber glass dropper bottles because every month we get a diffuser recipe. And you get all of this for only $44.99 a month. Now, that is a great deal on its own, but right now I have a coupon code to offer you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code TheCraftyFree with no spaces, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that gift card to purchase other supplies from their shop. Isn't that such a great coupon code? Now, one last thing I want to mention before we open up the box is that 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription boxes, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, let's grab our knife, cut that seal, and open up our October monthly essential oil recipe box. Okay, now let's start with the oils. We have frankincense. And of course we have to smell them. It's kind of like a woodsy yet spicy smell. And I'll admit I'm not the best at explaining how they smell, so if you want to see how they smell, you really should just get the subscription. I like that. Cypress. Another kind of woodsy, not quite spicy though. Almost more calming, kind of like it has a menthol effect to it. Ravensara, and I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It almost has like a black licorice smell to it, but a little bit sweet. Breathe Easy. And each month you get at least one exclusive essential oil blend. It's mentholy and just smells really good. I can't quite describe what else is in that. Then for our extra goodies, we have an aromatherapy rice bag, a spray bottle, some menthol crystals. For our recipes, we have a forest breath balm, calming aromatherapy rice bag, breathe easy shower steamer, stinky feet spray, healthy home diffuser blend, and respiration aid roll-on. Then of course we also have our matching stickers, and I love when everything matches. So as you can see, if we get out our cypress bottle here, The label of the cypress also matches the label of the Respiration Aid roll-on. And then there are also the top of the bottle stickers. So if you keep all of your essential oils in a box, you don't have to lift each one out to see what it is. You can just look at the label on the top of the bottle. Then this is just some information about other products that they offer. And then this information sheet, you will not get this. I get this because I am a brand ambassador of Simply Earth, but I will go over it with you and show you the key points. So it says the October's theme is home remedies. Then it goes over everything that comes in the box. My favorite part of this sheet is on the back, where it says the value of the box is $184.77, and you get everything for only $44.99. Isn't that a great deal? Plus, if you are using that coupon, the Crafty Free, for a free $45 gift card, you are getting an even better deal. So head over to simplyearth.com to pick up your monthly essential oil recipe box for yourself and use that coupon code, the Crafty Free. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.